welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Blender thumbnail for Gorilla Tag. And if you don't know where to start and you're like new to content creating, I suggest you watch this video. And if you don't know Blender, I highly suggest watching this video because after I figured out how to make this, I figured out how to make a donut, I figured out how to make a lot of other stuff that's really cool, and I did it on my own. So basically, yeah, this will teach you a lot of stuff. How to make your own thumbnail, and also maybe one day you could post your own how to make your own thumbnail. So requirements. You're going to want to need high-spec computer, PC, or high-spec laptop. So if you have a laptop, it has to be good enough to run Blender. And Blender is the next thing we're going to want to download. Actually, the first thing we're going to want to download. So I'll have it in the description, or you could just search it up. It's Blender. It's right here. Click it. Click download. Should send you to this page. Click download Blender. And then boom, you have Blender. First step done. Then you're going to want to open Blender when it's done. When you're in Blender, you're going to want to delete this stuff. And then boom, you have clear base plate. You can turn on this. This basically doesn't look like anything. But I am going to go up here. Actually, we're going to go to View, Navigation, come down to Walk Navigation, change shortcut, E. Then if you press E, you're able to move around. Then press, if you want to get out of this walk mode, you're like, how do I get out? How do I get out? I keep going up and down. Press left click. And then you're going to want to, after you've done that, you're going to want to download the second thing in the description, the Gorilla IK Rig by Nacho Engine. It's in the description. Come over here. And then you should see this. Click it and then it should download it. Then when you have it downloaded, come to File, Open, don't save. Type in Gorilla IK Blend. Gorilla IK Blend. Then you should have this opened. Now this is really cool, and you're able to do all this different stuff. But he has no textures. What do? Come up here, either click this one for high quality or this one for quality that's made for, like, I don't know, modeling, and you don't have that much power. Okay, you're gonna want to come after that. You're gonna want to come to the sun and just delete it because we're gonna make our own lighting. After you've done that, come to this Gorilla IK Rig, drop down this, go to Gorilla Model. This is how you're going to change your color. You're going to want to come down to the material, scroll down, come here, and then you're able to make your color whatever you want. I'm going to make my guy cyan. Then you're going to want to come down to the name, or you could just click on it and press tab, and you're able to type. And then I'm just going to delete all this and type in Hap. And then boom, press tab again, and then you made your name. I'm gonna scale mine up a little bit and maybe move them up. Oh, and then over here you could grab this, click on that. How do I move this guy up again? You can move him up if you like, or you could just scale it up a tiny bit more. I'm gonna scale mine up a tiny bit more. And boom, we have our name. And for the camera, we're gonna press Shift A. We're up here at Add. I'm gonna use the Shift A shortcut, and then we're gonna go all the way down to Camera. You should summon this camera over here. Then kind of like click this and click that again. Take this out. Okay. If you come over here and you don't see anything, that's not an issue because you just want to click that. And and then you're also able to move your name with this. So I'm gonna move it up a little bit, maybe a little sideways so that it's more centered. And then you're able to see the camera. Click on it, press E. Put your Gorilla Tag character in frame. Boom! And then if you go here and click on camera, it's very cool looking. But now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a Gorilla Tag map. So in the description, there should be something called SketchFap. You're gonna wanna go there. Let me just find it real quick. It's just gonna be SketchFab, and it's download like this. You come down here, go here, and then open the zip. Download the zip. Once it's downloaded, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. Go up to Install. Type in SketchFab plugin. Click on it and click Install Add-on. Then once you've done that, you're gonna want to enable it. So up here again, SketchFab, make sure that's ticked. And then once you have that installed, you can open this sidebar, click SketchFab. You're gonna have to activate it by logging in, and it should be and then you should just have to make an account or sign in. And if you want to make an account, just click on the make an account button and then make that, and I'll wait, or you can pause the video while you're at it. Then after you've done that, we're gonna go here, type in Gorilla Tag Map. Then boom, Gorilla Tag Map by Santa VR. Import the model. This is a very cool model. It's very nice. This is gonna be helpful. Then if you go into this beautiful, it looks wonderful. Anyway, so you can see that his hands are in the ground. You're going to want to click on, hold shift and click on that. Then you have all the stuff, go to object mode, edit mode. And then you're able to click on his hand and move it upwards. Okay. Pose mode. Pose mode. Then you're able to click on his hand and move. Click on his hand and then move it upwards. Now you can see both his hands are moving. That's bad. Okay. After you have your hands lifted in the air, you're going to want to click this, and then you can move both hands separately. So I'm just going to pose him to my liking. Boom! Now I have my Gorilla Tag character, and he's thumbs up. You could go to your camera, put that mode on, get rid of all these, and then boom, you have your character and he's posing. But he is bland. He is bland. He has no cosmetics. So now we're gonna figure out how to do that. So re-enable both of these, and then in your SketchFab tool, again, after you go to object mode, you're going to want to click on SketchFab, bring this out, and then type in Gorilla Tag Map, or not maps, Cosmetics. And here's all the Gorilla Tag cosmetics. I'm going to import them, and then they should be somewhere on here. Oh, it's all the way over there. Okay. And your Gorilla Tag cosmetics are over here. I don't know why they spawn so far away, but then you're able to do. So here, all of the cosmetics are. There's all these hats. There's bling. clothes, those hats, there's all these cool stuff, and I'm gonna select my pineapple, so just select that one by itself, come all the way back to the starting map. I'm gonna come all the way back here. Come inside this map. And then you can still see the cosmetic over there, so I'm just gonna drag it back here. Coming all the way over here. Drag it back. Drag it back. And boom, now we have our cosmetic. You can just float off the head a little. And now, after we have our cosmetic, it's time for lighting. So you're gonna wanna click Shift and A, go all the way to light, point light. And then you're gonna wanna go over here for this, so then you can create the lighting just to your help. I'm gonna have the light shining on him from the camera. I'm gonna have it behind him so that he has a nice little glow. And I'm gonna also add a light from the sun. I'm gonna put that upwards a tiny bit, and it's gonna be coming from here. And that one, I'm just gonna make it a little brighter, and then he has that cool glow across him. And the sun, I'll just make the sun a little brighter, so then it looks like it's day-ish. So then now, if we go here, then boom, he looks great. And you could come out a little bit if your hat is not fitting, as you would like boom. And then, most people don't show this, but I'm gonna show you how to actually take it. So here's what you're gonna wanna do. Get rid of that, get rid of that. And then you just have the screenshot, click Windows Shift S if you're on Windows. And then just highlight all of the photo frame. The frame that's perfect. It should say save to clipboard, open it, go here, open file. And then it should be down here. I just gotta go save it in a separate folder. I'm gonna put it in my desktop. And now that we've gotten our photo, I'm gonna save it. We are gonna go to editing. You're gonna wanna open your web browser again. Go to CapCut. You're able to create new, and then image custom size, make it create new, and then you're gonna want to go down some more, and then click YouTube thumbnail. And here's where our photo is gonna come in handy. We're gonna go take our down from our, here's my screenshot, I'm gonna copy it over here. Fill it to one side because it's probably not gonna fit the entire screen. Bring it all the way down, stretch it down a little, and then boom, you have that. And you're gonna go to text, and by the way, CapCut's all free unless you want to have Pro. You're gonna put it in the left because people read it from left to right. Then you're just gonna add your title. It's gonna be 10 ways to eat pine apples. You could stretch out a little. Oh, not the image. You could stretch it out a little and make it a little smaller as you stretch it out. And make it a little bigger. 10 ways to eat pineapples is gonna be over there. We can make it a different font by going to presets, and you can add any of these. I'm gonna pick this one, and then you're able to go to basic and make it bold or sideways. I'm gonna create bold. And then here's text color. I'm gonna make mine black. And then down here you could go to glow, shadow, anything. I'm gonna add a little bit of a shadow. And you could put in distance. And then it's going on to the background. And that's cool. And then you just get to press download all, and you can add anything else you want. Like in SketchFab there's also monsters and anything. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and now you know how to make your own Blender thumbnails. Goodbye!